like real processing things. You know, the really old negatives, but this goes to show let's do some sort of development.
Mm-hmm. Oh, fuck. I never remember the clip damage of a fucking 1390.
36 years ago. Adam and Eve. I bet your dad weren't even born then.
When?
36 years ago. Like,
Ah, no, of course. My mother has a 34-year-old.
is she?
Uh-huh.
How old is your mum then?
63 is when she was born.
He was born in 60.
Uh-huh.
'54. Yeah. 52.
Penetration. Critical hit. Enemy is hit.
I better go help this motherfucker.
How much cash you managed to stack then, Bubba?
Well, I bought a T43, which is 1.3 million. I'm back up to 200k already.
Might buy a T43.
Because I'm grinding it. I
Oh.
sold it because I wanted to buy the E100, and now I'm rebought it. And I'm training the crew while I'm doing it.
Mm.
Oh yes, tree. Learn where to pen me, you fucker. Nice try, T637. Okay, I found our team.
I'm reloading. Oh,
I fucking bounced him. What the fuck?
AMX CDC. He put a shot into me.
Bulldog, you're lucky. Alright, Bulldog's running.
Yeah, if that CDC pokes out, I've got 6 shots.
There he is.
Yeah.
Penetration. Enemy armor is hit.
Put 2 shots into him. I've got 3 left.
Penetration. Didn't even scratch them.
I'm reloading again. You got an AMX 1390 there to help.
I'm walking Bulldog with them 10 shots. Fucking hell.
Mm-hmm. Nah, screw it. It's no point in fixing me gun at this point. I'm not spending 20 grand to fix me fucking gun. Alright, 1200 damage.
I didn't do as much. I got spotting, hopefully.
Oh, seriously. On the fucking move, he shoots me, cunt. Get behind that rock, don't fucking move.
Yeah.
Oh, he's firing ordinary HE, fucking moron. He's an E100. He did 200 damage to an E75.
$320.
Yeah,
Fucking on it.
don't be a cheap ass, you motherfucker. I don't realise he has fuck all cap points.
Yeah, I've got them all.
Yeah,
They haven't spotted me. They might have. No.
you're gonna get Invader for this.
Mm. There you go.
What do you say, Chip? Hey, what would I have cocktail sticks for? No. What do you need them for?
Yep. Invader.
Oh no,
600 spot
right,
damage,
right.
not bad. Fired plenty of gold shells in that one and I still made profit.
Give me a quick blast on one of your streams, Bobby. Or
I fucking can't. I swear to God, last time I tried,